In Excel, formulas are by default relative. They're relative, so it's a relative cell reference. So let's say in this example right here, I want to calculate the sales commission for each of these salespeople. So I take the total sales times the commission rate, and that is what their commission is. So this is a simple formula, equal B4 times B10. All right, enter, and there we go. So it looks like Susie is going to make $2,600 in commission. Wow, that's pretty good. Now, what we normally do is we would copy this formula down. Now remember, this is a relative cell reference, so B4 times B10. When we copy this to another cell, it's automatically going to change the column and row reference. And that's a good thing most of the time. So let me go ahead and just fill this down. But what happened? So let's take a look at it. So my original formula is B4 times B10, okay? When I copied it down, now I have B5. Yep, that's right, that's Frank, times B11. Oh, hey, there's nothing in B11. Then I have B6 times B12. Oh, there's nothing in B12. So you see what's happening here because it's a relative cell reference. The first part is changing, which we really want. But this B10, this commission rate, really shouldn't change in our formula. So it needs to remain absolute. So I'm going to go back to my original formula. And on your keyboard, the function key F4 puts in the dollar signs. So when you have a dollar sign in front of the column and a dollar sign in front of the row, you're making both the column and the row absolute. There are times when you want to mix it up. You might want to just make the row absolute, or you might just want to make the column absolute. But in this case, it's okay to go ahead and make them both absolute. Now I'm going to go back and fill this, and look at that, that's correct. So B5, B6, B7, that's all good, but notice how B10 is not changing. That is an absolute cell reference.